This one concept, if applied to your life, is not only going to help you with drop shipping, but it's going to help you with any kind of business venture you do. And it's POC, proof of concept. Now, everything that we do inside our business is backed by POC, okay? There is not one action that is taken place without research being done to back it. Right now, that sounds incredibly obvious, right? Why would you do anything without research? Well, that's true. But it's the type of research that's done. It's proof of concept. Okay? Now, a lot of you watching this are probably interested in Tate, right? And Tate did a very good analogy of Instagram models who have a large amount of following and think that they are able then to sell to them, make makeup brands, clothing brands, merch, whatever, right? And these influencers, these models, they go out of their way, they fly out to meet with a supplier and they get all branding done and they have all these prototypes and then thousands of units of makeup and cosmetics made and stored in a warehouse they're renting, and they hire a team to send out products to the customers, and they've spent thousands on the website and everything's in place for an absolute perfect setup, perfect launch, perfect business. But when it goes live, no one buys, right? No one's buying the product. No one's going to the website. No one's interested. Whereas what you should do is get a quick website up, get a bit of marketing, pretend you have the products in stock, right? Pretend you have everything ready, and get customers in that way, and then tell them, the shipping date is going to be X. It's, some hiccup, boom. Or you quickly get everything made, then boom, boom, boom. Or it's like an early release. It's like get on the waiting list, right? And have interest, have proof of concept before you go and invest so much money and time. And this is the same with drop shipping, right? What you can do is you can go out and find brand new products to bring to market and hope that you can market them well and hope that there's an audience and demand and that you're going to be able to reach these customers and sell to them, right? Or you can have loads of shops testing out products on them all and you're managing them all and running them all. Or you can have other people do it for you. Okay, imagine you had a list of 50 Etsy stores that you're watching because you're interested in getting in the same niches that they're in, and you're monitoring them daily, weekly, whatever. And you're keeping a track of, okay, what products on it sell, how many sales are they actually getting, what are the reviews like, what's the quality of the products, how quick are they growing, how old's this store, are they running ads, right? And you are then able to monitor stores that would be in your situation, that when you launch it, get the products up, get going, that you'd be able to mimic in their footpath, in their footprints, right? In their footsteps. So that's proof of concept. You're then going into niches, going into stores, selling products that are backed by data that you've researched, right? That sells on the platform. You're then getting into it. You're going to do it better. So if it's selling for Jimmy and you come in and do it better, why wouldn't it sell for you? Instead, too many people are browsing 1688, AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ for new products and hope that they can hit this whole new market and be the first to the scene with this product and hope it's there, right? And sure, that works. That absolutely works, right? We still do that. But if you're a beginner, if you don't really know much what you're doing and time is very valuable and you don't really have much money and you want quick results. Everyone wants quick results. You need POC. You want that proof of concept. Okay, that's why this one concept is so massive, because it allows you to cut out the majority of the research phase, right? Your research phase has now gone from going around Google Trends, Pinterest, just browsing Google, browsing social media, see what people are talking about, finding products around that, and then hoping it sells, to here's a store selling X. Oh, it's doing Y. Okay, it's done 10 sales on that today. Oh, and this listing's done 30 sales today. okay, there's people who want that product. I can help fill that demand. You really need to be getting proof of concept in everything, right? If you wanted to launch some new PT coaching PDF, right? And okay, I'm really good at paid ads. I'm really good at this. You wouldn't then spend 6 weeks creating a course, a PDF, videos, like all that. You would just go and do the marketing and collect a load of emails and see how many emails you can collect. And if you think then it's worth it, you then go and invest those 6 weeks into creating the product. Right? You now have customers directly to market to. You have a great marketing funnel, and now you're going to be even more motivated to create the product, put more time in, etc. Iron out any kinks. Right? You do the selling, and then you get the product. Right? It's proof of concept in that area. It's like being a YouTuber and having 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 following, spending £25,000 on equipment and cameras and everything like that. But your first video flops and you don't really know what you're doing and you don't know really what to do videos on, right? It's proof of concept. You do the videos with your iPhone or a cheap little camera and you get the following and you get the audience, and then you invest. Then you spend the time, right? And it's like Shopify. If you're a Shopify dropshipper, you can go and spy on your competition, see what's selling well for them, see how they're doing it, copy their funnel, bring it in. Okay, that's a working funnel. There's some working products. Let's bring them together. Oh, there's some working ads. Let me tweak that, work on that. Okay, let's put it all together, right? It's proof of concept. And if you apply proof of concept to every aspect of your life, you're going to live a much easier life, right? It's so much easier because you're no longer trying to defy the impossible and working out if something's even possible in the first place, right? You're going off hard, cold facts, hard, cold data. That any model I go into, it can succeed. Any product I want to sell, it can succeed. I know how to do it already because Jimmy's doing it. Jimmy's done it, but he's not as good as me. I'm going to come and do it better. Screw you, Jimmy. Right? It's like when Facebook came along. They knew social media platforms were doing really well. There was MySpace or whatever at the time. And he knew people like this kind of stuff. Okay, there's my proof of concept, right? Let me go and launch it. And before that, he'd made other websites. He knew he could get the traffic. He knew he could do the marketing. He knew how to get people on board. And he got it. So he was spending his time in an area he knew would get results and see success, right? Because he had proof of concept, because he had smaller projects before that succeeded. And then when he led up to the big one, he knew this is going to be worth my time. So please, guys, start applying proof of concept to everything you do. And it's going to ensure you the absolute best, and you're going to stop wasting a lot of time. Now, if you like these kind of videos, please let me know. I like creating these. I also like doing the Etsy ones too. But as you know, I do videos every day. So it's great to get your guys' input into what kind of videos you want to see. So I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.